How to change YouTube handle. First, you open your YouTube. After that, you go to click here, and then you go to YouTube Studio. After that, you go to customization, and then you scroll down until you see handle here, and you can change the name here. By the way, it tells you to choose your unique handle by adding letters and numbers. You can change your handle back within 14 days. Handles can be changed twice every 14 days. Okay, Guide Sensei by Mofa Biru. Make sure it shows the green tick. Okay, after that, you click publish, then verify that is you. Click next and open your phone to verify that is you, and then you click view channel to check. Guide Sensei by Mofa Biru. Okay, that's it guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe this channel. See you. Bye.